We get 20, every assembly person gets 20 of these to use as they want to use throughout the whole 2-year session. So we get 10 a year basically. And we get to choose when we do a big one for somebody who's accomplished, or an individual or an organization that's done something that's absolutely not only unbelievable, but very difficult to obtain. And in your case, Batavia High School, the Batavia school system has been around for many, 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 many years. And as I told you before, I wrestled all 4 years. Before I wrestled, I was not very confident of myself. Mm-hmm. And two things made me confident. My grandfather, who taught me how to look people in the eye and how to shake hands and do it not too hard, not too gentle, but enough so that you conveyed a sense of belief in yourself. Mm-hmm. The other was when my 5th grade teacher, Coach Cargill, he became, called me up into his office one day over in here and said, "Hawley, I think you'd make a good wrestler." I didn't believe in myself. Mm. I said, "Coach, not possible." So, to make a long story short, I had a halfway decent record, a winning record, and I went from 101 to 112, 118, or whatever the classes were. And as I mentioned back there, I wrestled in college. One match against Bowling Green, Division I, ripped out that rib cartilage, but I never ever lost the belief in that I could do anything I wanted. Kind of like the little engine that thought he could.
Yeah.
And because I was one of the first ones to wrestle, I thought it was doubly important that I do well at the beginning of the match so that I set the tone for everybody else, you in the middleweight section, and the heavyweights as well. And I've never forgotten that. And I thank Coach Cargill, who's no longer with us, for believing in me and helping me to believe in myself. So, Scott Bendett, a great wrestler from the Capital Region, another Assemblyman, said to say hello and congratulations. Another representative Assemblyman from Canandaigua area, Jeff Gallahan, wrestled in high school as well. He sent his best, congratulations, and I couldn't be more proud of you. And West Point, what a round of applause for West Point.
Yeah, all right. That's all right.
And I'm an Army guy, I was an officer, but I didn't go to West Point. And there's another Batavia High School graduate that's a freshman, I think, this year.
Aiden Anderson.
Yes, and every year, West Point brings up cadets with the commandant, and they come to the state senate and the state assembly, and they sit in our chambers, and we each get to read once, if we have somebody from our district, read who you are and what went on. So your leadership skills are obvious. I'm very proud of you. Your parents are proud of you, I'm sure, and the school district is proud as well. So congratulations. Keep up the good work.
Thank you.
And thanks for your service.